Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw a level 40 YUDON from Jurassic World the game. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video. Now, to start off with this drawing, we're going to begin right here by the eye. So I'm going to begin up here, and we're going to make a little line that just goes down, and it's going to curve up and back like this. Then we're going to make a little line that's just going to curve around with a little line underneath it. Next, starting here, we're going to make a little line that goes up to kind of like a point and then comes back down. Then I'm going to start out here and I'm going to begin with the kind of like the snout. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up and then it's going to make a sharp point down. And I'm going to kind of repeat this all the way up. So I'm just going to make these get a little bit pointier as they come up to right about the eye. Then I'm going to curve this back, and I'm going to make a line that's going to go down, it's going to come up, and then really far back. Then right here I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down, it's going to kind of follow that curve. Then when I get to here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and up. Now we're just going to bring this up at an angle for the jaw. Now for the teeth are quite a bit longer in the front, and then they're going to get a lot smaller as they come to the back. We'll add a little line right there for the part of the mouth where it stretches. And the same on the bottom. They're going to be a lot bigger in the front and a lot smaller back here. Let me draw a little line that comes down for the tongue. Right here, we're going to add just a little line for the nose. And then a little broken line is going to come right down here, and then one more across the top. Then as we get up here, I'm going to make a long line. It's going to go up. It's going to kind of come to a point. There'll be another one, and then it's going to curve back down for the part of the top of the head. Then this YUDON has a lot of like feathers on it. So I'm just going to add some quick little like pointy, spiky lines all the way around here for some feather details. And then they're going to kind of come down here as well. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and it's going to curve up. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to go down, and that's going to come up at an angle. Make a line that's going to curve down with like a long claw. And then another one here. And then one more right here, and then I'm going to bring it back. And then another one up here. I'll do the same thing here. I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down with like a claw shape. We'll add another one here, and then one here. We'll curve up, and then just bring it back. Then on here, they're going to have lots of like little feather shapes. So I'm just going to add some kind of pointy lines just to help make it look more like feathers. We're going to see some more along the edge here too. Now I'm just going to add a little line right down here. Right here, we'll make a line that goes down, and that's going to angle sharply back, so it's like a nice curve. We'll go down, and then we'll make a little line that curves out and then comes back for a toe. Another one here, and then one more right here. We're going to make a line that goes up and kind of comes back. And then I'm going to curve it back here. Now starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes down. It's going to angle in. We're going to go out and come straight back. Another little toe here. This one I'm going to go up, and I'm going to add a little kind of like dew claw there. And a line that goes up and back. Now, starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down like this, and then we're going to bring it right back up to about here. Now, there are a lot of feathers on the back, so as I draw this back here, I'm just going to be making these kind of like pointy shaped lines so it looks like some feathers. And I'm going to make these go above the tail just so I can help add some detail and add some more feathers along the tail area here. So we're just going to kind of take these all the way down to the edge of the tail. Now, just to kind of fill this up with different feathers, I'm just going to kind of add some of these different kind of spiked, curvy lines everywhere. I'm going to put a few rows of them in here, just to help make it look like there's lots of feathers on here. There's lots of detail. We'll just kind of fill up some different areas where we see lots of big gaps. And I'm just going to kind of fill up this whole area with lots of these little points that will represent our different feathers. So we're just going to fill up this area all around here. And we're just going to do some different things like this. So now that we have our basic shape of our UDON, we want to come in here and add some of our different little details. So I'm going to start by making a nice little broken line right around the top and bottom of the mouth for kind of like where the lips are. Maybe a few little curved lines along the top and the bottom here. A few little lines by the eyes. I'm going to add a couple long kind of curved lines right up here too. And then maybe a few more little kind of feathery details as well. I'm going to extend some of these lines down. I'm going to add a few quick curved lines on the neck. We got to add a little line in here for the pupil. Kind of curl this around, add some little claws onto here. I'm going to add some big claws with always like an extra little line or two, so it looks like the claw is sitting into the skin. We'll add one here too. Then a couple little extra lines right along here. A few little detail lines just to make it look like the arms are sitting right there in the body. And then maybe a couple little extra lines going up the feet here and the legs. And there you go. There is your drawing of a level 40 UDON from Jurassic World the game. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.